Hi guys, my name is Ridwana Rifia Rafiq binti Muhammad Syafi'i. So today, I'm going to talk about my first experience on naik boat F36. Okay. So what's the difference between F36 and Ilka? For the first time, I think I'm both nervous when naik both of it, but naik F36 is more tiring and challenging. But it's not that bad because this is our first time, and within 4 or 3 hours we get it together as a team. Yeah, the difference between Ilka and F36, we play this as a team. We need a good, really good teamwork and communication. No miscommunication here. Okay, and for Ilka, we just play solo. But I think both of it is great.
Hi guys!
Guys, this is Natra.
This is Wana.
Hi! Okay, so Natra, I want to ask you,
Okay.
what's the difference between rigging on F36 and Ilka?
Ilka is more complicated rigging on Ilka, but I think F36 is more easiest to rig other than Ilka. So what do you think about the rigging part on Ilka and F36?
Yeah, I'm kind of agree with you. Ilka, you need to remember all of things by yourself. But F36 is the same too, but it's a teamwork.
Yes guys,
So
teamwork.
You can ask what if you don't know about how to call, if you don't remember how to call, you can ask your team member.
Yes,
That is
the difference between rigging Ilka and F36 guys. So what is your role on F36?
Just now.
Just now.
I play as a jeep trimmer.
Wow.
And as a man sheet.
What is the most easiest to play with?
I think man sheet lah, because man sheet you didn't move so much, but you need to know when is the time to move and when is the time to yeah like that. Okay, but what is your role?
I play jeep trimmer. I play is man trimmer and bowman. I think man trimmer is more easiest because bowman is a lot of things to do and a lot of things to think.
No, isn't that heavy? The one that you need to
Actually pitman yang